Hello folks, this week we're going to be making hamburger steaks. This is just one of the ways that we make it. I think you'll like it. It turned out pretty good. Start off with some hamburger. We got chicken broth. You can use beef broth, soup mix, breadcrumbs, mushroom gravy, some Worcestershire sauce, accent, and 3 eggs. Let's get started. We've got our burger down there in the bowl. They didn't have no good burger this week at the store, so we just got the tubes. That's 3 pounds of burger. And here we're putting in 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Alright, now we're putting in our chicken broth there. Is 1 cup of chicken broth. Now we put in our soup mix. Now we're going to drop in our 3 eggs. Alrighty, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Alrighty, putting in a tablespoon of accent. Now just mix it all together pretty good there. Then we're going to pat out some patties. However thick and big you want them, you just make this your own, just however you want it. Then we're going to we've got the oven 350. We're going to set these in the oven there. And then after about 20 minutes, we're going to pour on some gravy. And then put them back in, let them finish baking. Altogether, it's about 40-45 minutes for ours there. And then here is the finished product with some corn and taters out of the garden. It's a pretty good meal, folks. Think you'll like it. You all have a great evening. Have a blessed day. Thank you all again for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the little bell notification, and got any kind of question, just let us know. We'll try to answer them. Thank you all again for watching.